everyone, you're welcome to Esther's Chronicles. Introducing Yul Edochie, introducing the first wife, introducing the side chick. Yes, they made us start talking and conversations continue. So I saw this video that is totally contradictory of what a lot of people are talking about and our opinion concerning Yul Edochie's decision. So I thought to bring it here and share it with you. Watch this video and let me know what you think after watching it. Do you think what this lady is saying makes sense? Do you think we need to start with considering the concept of polygamy? Do you think? Let's watch this together first. Then you'll listen to my reaction. And I also want to know what you think about it at the comment section. Let's watch together.
I have come here to say what most ladies don't like to hear. And what is it they don't like? Polygamy. Our ladies don't like to hear polygamous family. They despise the word polygamy. They believe in one man, one woman, one husband, one wife. I don't know why. I don't know why it's still hard for our ladies to accept polygamy. Accept it and save yourself some emotional stress and torture, because it is bound to happen. As for me, I don't believe in one man, one wife. Theoretically, one man, one wife is possible, but practically, one man, one wife is not seen anywhere. One man, one wife is not existing anywhere, and these are the facts that you should know. It is either one man, 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 side chicks, or one man, one illegal wife somewhere that your husband is illegally married to. You don't know. Your husband is keeping secrets. He has a wife outside. He has a baby mama outside. How will you know when you don't want your husband to be open? How will you know when your husband is now hiding like a tortoise? Or now married, or married from Aba Oje or married over Oje. He is always lying to you that he's going to work. He's going to meet his baby mama. He's going to meet his wife, illegal wife. And as far as you are concerned, you are still in a nuclear family. You don't know that your husband has migrated already into a polygamous family. Most of you shouting today, your mothers are baby mamas. Your mothers were 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th wives. But I see the way you people are shouting because Yul Edochie married a 2nd wife. Why will he do that? Why shouldn't he do that? That is how our ancestors did. Our ancestors were strong men. Our ancestors were not tortoise. They are not tortoise like this men that we have today. We don't have men just like we don't have women. Our ancestors were lions. They were very proud. That is how our ancestors behaved. They married 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wives. And they all lived happily. But look at your husband and then you want to make okay. From according to you, your husband cannot do like that. But your husband is a rapist and a pedophile. Your husband is a pedophile. You don't want to share your husband with anybody. You don't want a 2nd wife, but your husband is willingly, freely sharing his body with your house help. Your husband is sharing himself with his sales girl. Your husband is sharing his body everywhere, but according to you, you are still in a nuclear family. You don't know that they have left you behind. You are the only one in nuclear family. Your husband is a polygamous man. This is the nature of a man. You can never take it away from them. It is the nature of a man. The way they use barbed wire to barb wire the waist of a man is not the way they barb wire the waist of women. Our men are now scared. When men were men, men proudly come out to marry 2nd, 3rd wives. Yul Edochie is better than all of you. All of you criticizing Yul Edochie, all of you cowards. All of you are, Yul Edochie is better than all of you. That is how a man does. Instead of criticizing Yul Edochie, why not applaud him? He did what you cannot do. Is it not your celebrities that kept baby mamas everywhere? Baby mamas everywhere with 2 children, 3 children. Is it better to have a baby mama then than to keep a wife at home? Which one do you prefer? You should applaud Yul Edochie. He said, no, I cannot keep this woman as a baby mama. Let me marry her, let me wife her. That is how reasonable men behave. Reasonable men do hard things. And what is that hard thing? Taking a 2nd and a 3rd wife. Sleeping with your house help. You are defending your husband. Your husband is a pedophile. You are defending that your husband, he's a rapist. He raped any woman he see. He raped little girls, but you're defending him. You say your husband cannot be like Yul Edochie. Never can your husband be like Yul Edochie. Your husband cannot be like that. He's a pedophile. That is who your husband is. Applaud Yul Edochie. That is how our ancestors did. Wherever our ancestors are now, they will be proud of that young man. They will be proud of that man, that Odoguna. The time of our mothers, I miss our mothers. I miss those age, stone age. They call it stone age. I miss that time. All these things that is happening. All this looking for women, side chicks, is because we no longer have women. When women were women, a woman will go outside and see a fine girl and bring for her husband. Tell her husband, Odoguna, I know that this one will fit you. Now see this one. See this beautiful girl. Your husband will marry the girl. And your husband will be feasting on the girl. Why you are excited? Because that is what our mothers did. They were very happy about it. Today you say you don't want to share. You don't want to share him. But he's a pedophile. He's sharing himself around. You don't believe in second wife, but you believe in side chick. You don't believe in bringing in a second wife, but you believe in baby mama. You believe in baby mama. You are applauding baby mamas. You are congratulating baby mamas, but you don't want a side chick. But you don't want a second wife, rather. See men, see Chigemezi, calling you Yul Edochie a useless man. See Chigemezi that is calling crucify Yul Edochie. Manina remember bathroom gonna awancha. Look at Emeka. Emeka is saying that Yul Edochie is not a reasonable man, but you are inside your bathroom. In on bathroom, gonna abomo. Masturbation and marrying second wife, which one is better? Which one is much better? You are talking about Christianity. Yul Edochie is a Christian. Why did he marry second wife? The same Bible that you're quoting said that a time will come when 30 women will be running after one man. Is it not the Bible that said it? Are you saying that King Solomon and David and all those men that married 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wives in the Bible, all of them will go to heaven? Why the ones in New Testament will go to hellfire? Because it's assumed that in the Old Testament, that was when they were marrying multiple wives. But now in New Testament, they are marrying only one wife. So the judgments will be 2. Be deceiving yourself. There is nothing like marriage in heaven. In marriage, it is all man on your own. Every wife on your own. Every husband on your own. You will answer for your own. No, nothing like marriage in the Bible. You are calling your pastors. Your pastors are polygamous in nature. Your reverend fathers are polygamous in nature. Your bishops are polygamous in nature. They have side chicks. They have another wives. They have children outside. You don't know your husband is cheating on you. How will you know when you are not seeing road? When you are still happy that your husband is only with you. One day you will realize that your husband has 7 children outside. So the one that they hide and the one they make open public, which one do you prefer? I prefer the one they make public. I prefer the one they make public. That is respect. That is honor. Not the one that they are hiding. And here's Zucharowan. And here's Zucharowan. Now look at our ladies calling Yul Edochie name. Look at Nigerian single ladies. Look at the single ladies in Nigeria insulting this second wife of Yul Edochie. Place a married man here. Place a single man here. Ask Nigerian women, which one do you prefer? They will go for a married man. They will leave a single man and go for a married man. These ladies that are insulting Yul Edochie's second wife, they will go for that married man. Ask them why they prefer a married man. They will say the married man pay bill. The married man buys sophisticated phone. The married man can pay money. Single guy is still coming up. Single guy don't have money. They are willing to lay down with the married man. They sleep with married men. They date married men, knowing fully well that the man have a wife and children. 95% of Nigerian women date married men. Those are the people insulting Yul Edochie's wife. Your hypocrites is legendary. Fake people everywhere, pretenders everywhere. Without a married man, you cannot survive. Look at Chinelo. Chinelo, I know your story. You want me to tag you, including you too. You are insulting Yul Edochie's second wife, but you don't joke with married men. We know your story. You don't joke with married men. But look at you wagging your mouth, calling Yul Edochie's wife name. But you know how a married man. Name Sophia. Sophia, you that they are hiding under drawer. You that when your married man friend, when the wife of your married man friend call him, they will have to put you inside drawer. You will stay inside drawer like in Kapia while the man is talking with his wife and his children. After he finished talking with his wife, Amy Pota, In a married from one hotel to another with a married man. You still have more to insult Yul Edochie wife. All of you are hypocrites. If Yul Edochie had come for you, you will accept it. If Yul Edochie had come for you, you will not reject it. Look at all of them. Nenoha, Neno Chioma, you that is always cutting eye for a married man. Once you see a married man, you in a wink there, you'll be cutting eye for him. Now to a sign, body language that you want him. A man that you know that have wife and children. These are the people insulting Yul Edochie for taking the decision of marrying a second wife. If Yul Edochie had not married this second wife, he would still be sleeping around. Which one do you prefer? Most of you cannot reject Yul Edochie. If Yul Edochie had come for you, you will not say no. Because it is not you, that is why the thing is failing you. That is why the thing no be. All of you are crushing on Yul Edochie because he did not come for you. That is why you are angry. That is why you are very, very furious. That is why you are angry. Some say that Yul Edochie is their role model. How can their role model disappoint them? How can our role model go to marry another second wife? The manhood of a man does not understand English. The manhood of a man doesn't hear English. It is an illiterate or man here role model. The manhood of a man does not know what is role model. You don't believe in polygamy. Yul Edochie believe in polygamy. He is happy doing his polygamous life. You living the life his ancestors live, and you are angry. What is your problem? Why drinking Panadol on top of somebody's headache? Somebody have headache and you are the one drinking Panadol. Who are you? Can you satisfy one man? Which strength and energy do you have to satisfy one man? One man cannot satisfy African man. One woman rather cannot satisfy African man that is healthy. 2 women cannot satisfy an African man that is healthy. 3 women, 4, 5, 6 cannot do the job. The barbed wire they used to barbed wire the waist of African men. If the thing vibrates 2 or 3 times, you will collapse, you will faint. You don't have strength, you will energy. Only you cannot satisfy your husband. Why are you making this man to be hiding? Swear as a married man that you have not slept with a girl since you got married to your wife. You cannot swear. You cannot swear. You can't do it. Look at our men. I see some men that are hypocritical in nature. See hypocrisy everywhere. This man say it is better to have a side chick than marrying a second wife. Come on, shut up your mouth. Shut up your dirty mouth. Your gutter. Come on, shut up that dirty thing you call a mouth. It is much more better to get a second wife. It is only a useless man that keep a side chick. A responsible man bring the woman in. That is what we call them. You want to have a second wife. Yul Edochie did what our ancestors believe in. Yul Edochie is a man. You are a useless man. You are an idiot. You are an idiot for saying that. It is better to keep a side chick. In America, you are a rapist. You are a pedophile. In America, it is not better to keep a side chick. It is better to marry the woman inside. That is what they call responsibility. Taking up a responsibility. That is what our ancestors did. They are lion. Today we have tortoise as men. What we have now is tortoise because they have caged all of them. And okay. I respect Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie, my respect for you has increased. That is how reasonable men behave. Owancha. Chigemezo owancha. Bawancha. Don't go and marry second wife and depopulate the population of our women. Women, job have come on. It is time for you to start your campaign. You have to carry your placard. Say no to one man, one wife. If not, you will not see husband to marry. Am I the one that will marry you? Or Moya and no go? Or Moya and no go? You have to carry placard because the Bible says that a time shall come when 30 women will be running after one man. That time has come. You have to take your placard. Start your campaign. You have to be telling the government, say no to one man, one wife. If not, you will remain unmarried for the rest of your life. The time where 30 women will be running after one man has come. Accept it now. Accept it and save yourself some stress. Accept it. Pedophile. Don't go and marry 2 wives and depopulate women. All these women that are moving around, am I the one that will marry them? Are you not the ones that will marry them? If you marry 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wives, the level of unmarried ladies will reduce drastically. Follow the footprint of Yul Edochie. Follow the footprint of a reasonable man, a responsible man. Follow his footprint and depopulate our women. Owancha, bawancha, obomo, bawomo, homo, fornicator, adulterer. Don't go and marry that girl and keep at home. And you, in your mind, you think your husband doesn't have a problem. Look at Nigerian single ladies that don't joke with married men, insulting this man wife. Meanwhile, you don't joke with a married man. They present two of them, you prefer a married man. So all of you that are criticizing Yul Edochie wife, who are now sleeping with our married men? Who are the girls sleeping with our married men? Are you people not the ones that sleep with married men? You prefer a married man to a single guy. If Yul Edochie had come for you, you will not say no. You people are the ones sleeping around with married men. You know that the man is married, but you are cutting eye for him, giving him sign. Hypocrites everywhere. Pedophiles and rapists, all you hypocritical men, all you pedophiles and rapists, go and marry second, third, fourth, fifth wife and depopulate our women. If you can, marry 7 wives. That is what our ancestors did. They are strong men, just like Yul Edochie is a strong man. I respect you, my brother. Don't mind all those idiots, all those fake people, all those fake pretenders everywhere, hypocrites, that have series of side chicks and baby mamas and their wives. No, look at you. Your husband is sleeping with your sex girl and your house help, and you're shouting, calling you Yul Edochie's wife name. I repeat again. Polygamy has come to stay. It is going nowhere. That is who we are. This is our reality. We can never hide and run away from our reality. I am a strong advocate. I'm a strong advocate of polygamy. I believe in polygamy because I know that one man, one wife is a joke. One man, one wife is not existing anywhere. It only exists in the mouth, but practically is not there. Accept polygamy today and be happy tomorrow because it is here and it has come to live with us. We are going nowhere. We are going nowhere. Thank you guys for watching.
So my people, what do you think about this whole thing? Do you think what this lady is saying is right? Should we start with considering polygamy? Could it even be that a lot of women would have still been in their husband's house if there was polygamy? Could it be that so many matured single ladies would have been married if there was polygamy? Could it just be? What is the stand of the Bible concerning polygamy? We need to start this conversation because there's no point hurting people and just know. In fact, I'm going to do a live stream where I'm going to invite some people. Let's talk about polygamy. Let's talk about polygamy. Thank you if you've watched this extent. My name is Esther and this is Esther's Chronicles TV. Please like the video, share it out, and look out for my live stream on polygamy. What does the Bible say about polygamy? Thank you all. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.